Hi, we're Travel Tribe ATL. Thanks for joining us on this quick property tour of Marriott's Barony Beach Club on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. This hotel has several pools. The pool next to the garden building is a zero-entry pool with a large shallow water area that's perfect for smaller children. There are also a few small water jets and a tree that playfully dumps water on anybody who walks too close. This pool area also features a splash pad so that even non-swimmers can have a fun day in the water. For swimmers, more adventurous kids with flotation devices, and even kids at heart, there's a fun water slide that empties into a slightly deeper section of the pool. The water here is 5 feet 6 inches deep. The hotel also offers affordable daily and weekly bike rentals. There is easy access to Hilton Head's extensive network of biking trails. And you can even rent bike attachments like trailers, tandem bikes, and baby seats for a small additional surcharge. The ocean building wraps around a large courtyard with plenty of shade and lots of social space. There are open and covered picnic areas with several grills. There is shuffleboard, cornhole, and another small splash pad. Between the courtyard and the ocean is another large pool with a poolside restaurant. All Y'all's Bar and Grill serves an assortment of American classics, a bit of seafood, and has a substantial drink menu. The pool itself features a zero-entry area, a gazebo with a 360-degree view of the pool, and access to the beach via a short boardwalk over the dunes. We really enjoyed the easy beach access that this hotel provided. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be the first to know when we release new content. Check out a full review of this hotel on our blog linked below, and watch some of our other videos for family-friendly travel ideas for Hilton Head Island and other locations.